Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin immediately by preparing what you need: a cauldron, an empty bucket, and any paint ingredient. Once ready, approach the cauldron and drop the empty bucket first. This ensures the bucket becomes the vessel for the mixture. Make sure you have space in your inventory, because if full, the bucket won't register. After the bucket is placed, pick the paint ingredient next so the cauldron knows to infuse color. This first sequence sets the recipe state for a paint bucket. You continue by adding the paint ingredient into the cauldron on top of the bucket, then actively combine by stirring or using the game's combine button. Once done, apply any required catalyst or heat source. Many recipes need a spark item or coal to finish the reaction. Make sure to monitor the visual cue. The liquid will change color and texture, which tells you the mixture is reacting correctly. If the color looks faint, stir a bit longer. This improves bond strength. You finish by carefully removing the newly formed bucket from the cauldron and confirming it appears as a paint bucket in your inventory. If the color or quality is off, try again with a different pigment or extend stirring time by a few seconds. If no paint bucket appears, make sure your inventory had room and that you followed the exact order: bucket first, paint second, catalyst last. One key troubleshooting tip: clear a slot and repeat the same sequence. Order-sensitive recipes fail when items are added out of sequence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.